good? It's your boy Kev back at it again with another video. And yeah, so today we're gonna be doing a little mukbang at Red Lobster. This is my first time trying this, by the way. Yeah, it's gonna be the first time. This, I'm not gonna lie, low-key smell nasty. But I know, like, I heard crab is good, so, you know, I feel like it's gonna be good. So, this is Taste 600.
You know
my brother, you know, he got the...
I can't eat shellfish, so I'm eating steak instead.
on life. So, as y'all see by the title, you know, girls are just grimy, flat out. Like, I had a different little topic to talk about, but this literally just happened, like... I don't know, bro. It's crazy. It's just crazy how girls, like... It's crazy how girls move and how they think.
I'm like, that is good.
The steak. Here's the steak sauce.
I'm like,
But now I just like I low key feel sick right now. Like sick to my stomach. But I don't feel like even eating because she just got me salty. But it's just like why? Like so basically, long story short. Was my friend, you know, so I was trying to get her to do a mukbang, you know, with us, and so we set it up, you know, drove out to go and pick her up and stuff, and I don't even know how to even start with this. Like, how do
you break it open? I guess you just break it open. You literally just break it open. Take it off of the little, whole thing. Yeah, take it off of the whole thing, then you break it open. Like, take one of them off and then you break it open.
Like this?
Yeah. And then just break it open. Alright, and then you break open, like, the actual whole thing, like, snap in half. Yeah, do you
just
pull it out with your hand or something? Or maybe you gotta break it some more. Because some people use, like, actual, like tools, like, for that. So,
damn, this is
I never
different.
ate it. I never ate it, so...
This is different. I never, okay, all right.
I smell it now.
This one might be done, nigga. I'm not even gonna try to touch it. It's too small. Like, I don't know. Like,
bro, there's a whole bunch of meat in there, bro. Oh, God. Mom and Deanna used to be the queens of cracking that open and eating on that. Oh, God. I used to see them do that all the time. Honestly, for real.
nigga, this ain't coming out, man. Oh, wait, hold up. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, that one might just be a wrap for that one.
I'm cool now. But yeah. So basically, we got her, and you know, like I've been playing in this, you know, for a minute now because I'm trying to stay consistent on my channel, and I don't eat that part, right? Because that shit don't.
Nah.
So I'm trying to stay consistent on my channel, you know. So I'm trying to bring y'all. Bro, I don't know how to fucking do this. I'm trying to bring y'all like the latest.
Some people honestly like suck it, like, because it's hard to get out unless you have like tools.
I think I might use a damn fork. But so I'm trying to bring y'all the latest stuff as possible, you know. Yeah. So basically, we swooped her and stuff, did all this. You know, we had to go and pick her up from wherever she was doing. She wasn't even at home, like. We had to go out our way. I feel smacked, but it's good though. Like I ain't gonna count. It's good.
I know. It looked good, and you dip it in the butter too.
Alright. So we had to go out our way to go and get her, stuff like that. Fast forward, we get here, and you know, we trying to. You know, they sit us down at a table, and we trying to figure out how we going to set up the
No, I'm just laughing.
We trying to figure out how to set up the camera and all that because like we're trying to get all three of us in there. This shit is smack. So
the big one's gonna be where it's at.
On life, hell yeah. So basically, we're trying to figure out what to do because like just if y'all could see where we're sitting at right now, it's just like low-key like the worst spot, and like we're not even at a table, so we don't have like enough, like a lot of room to work with. So I was like, you know, we probably gonna have to film it in the car. So take our food and film it in the car. And she was like salty at that. She acted like she was too good to film in the car. Like I was like, I mean, I didn't want to film in the car either, but that's the only choice that we had. Like, I'm gonna do what I can to film this and get it done for y'all. Like, I'm not gonna. Nigga, that's not what I eat my stuff with. I think this is for this, cause look how small that is.
Why? You put it to the camera now. You gotta put it to the camera now. All right, to the camera.
Look at that. So I was trying to.
I
can't think right now because I haven't eaten all day, and like this shit just happened. And like once some shit happened to me, I had to sit and like just think about it for a minute. And then after I think about it though, then I'm cool. Like, so I'm like, yeah, we probably have to film this in the car. And you know, Taylor, all right, bro.
I don't care. We getting the video done.
Yeah, that's cool. We can do that. So I'm like, all right, bet. You know, she gets salty like she too good for the car. Like, I understand, like, yeah, nobody want to eat in the car or whatever. But like, at this point, we had to, cause you know we did all this planning to film a video. So why not? We might as well just do what we do, do what we have to do. Like, why we came here? Like, we came here to do a video. So the only way it's gonna get done is if we do it in the car. So long story short, you know, she's just salty sitting there quiet while we're waiting for our food to come. And yeah, so our food comes. No, scratch that. While our food was coming, I went out to the car to get my tripod. And I'm like, well, maybe I can use that to help it like set up and stuff like that. Because without a tripod, without me bringing the tripod, it probably wouldn't have got done for real. Because there was no other way to hold the camera up, like no other way. Damn. Hey, if y'all, I do not know how to eat, like, so don't be shredding me, like, man, he missed all the meat, like, bro.
Like, they probably gonna hit you with that one, God.
This is really my first.
You're supposed to suck that,
bro. I know, but nah, nigga, I'm on camera, nigga.
Nigga, you act like you just doing like this. You ain't over exaggerating.
Like, it's not coming out, so like. Unless I break this end off too.
Yeah, I don't know how you eat them because obviously I can't eat it, so I don't know how you eat it.
So yeah. So I get my tripod, bring it back here, and you know, I set it up, and like this tell you, like I'm the type of guy that, like, I will try everything in my power to do what I can, and if I really can't do it, then I can't do it. But I will get it my all before I just say I'm done. Let's go. Look, I opened it up. Hold up.
Look at all that.
I'm like, damn, this shit stinks. But so yeah, I'll do my best.
What's the rec called?
Grow for rec.
Yeah,
because that's where it's at.
She said her dad said she'll drop her off. Like, see, that's effort, nigga. All the way out here to watch us ball.
In life. And she not even playing. But, yeah, so, damn.
Grove Port Rec?
Yeah. Okay, that was, yeah. I think that was Shell. I don't know, but I don't. So,
he missing all the meat. Oh, look at him.
But, nah, for real. So, I get the tripod. I come back in here, set it up, and I set it up to where not all three of us was gonna be in it. Not all three of us was gonna be in it, but like, you know, I want to make sure she was in it because I didn't want her to think like this was a waste of her time. You know, so I was just gonna have Tay sitting like behind the camera, and y'all just gonna hear him talk, but y'all just not gonna see him. Because like I know like everybody's time is, you know, valuable, and you know everybody's time is worth something. So, and I'm not paying her to be in a video, man. So I'm like, you know, I might as well actually just give her something. I might have to just actually give her some camera time. So I set up and stuff, and you know, everything is cool. And then, and like, as you can see, well, as Tay seen, we set the camera and everything. So like, okay, we're ready to record. And then our food get here, and then she just looked at the waiter, it was like, nah, I'm taking my stuff to go. I'm about to leave. And I just sat and I looked. I was like, damn, like, you really about to leave? Like, I set the camera up and everything. Like, we didn't have to eat in the car, but she just so like.
It's just a car.
And like, and it's not even just her. Like, girls' mindset is just like woozy. Like, we set it up. We didn't have to eat in the car. Like, I was willing to sacrifice having you in it just to have her in it. Like, not because like she a girl. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you just already know how this
I know,
goes. Like, so you know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Damn, I'm not eating. It's because I'm mad because like, I don't even want to really eat, but I'm gonna still try to enjoy this. But
that's me.
Okay, alright. So, yeah, she. And no, before. Dang, I'm jumping all around. Before, like, after I set up the camera and everything, before the waiter came, I said, what did I even say? I said, like, why are you acting like that or something?
Yeah, like, yeah, she was acting. You said she was acting quiet.
Yeah, like, she wasn't talking, and I was like, why are you acting like mad at me? And she's like, I'm not. So I was like, okay. So I'm thinking like, okay, she's still a little tense, but we're cool. Fast forward, then she gets up and leaves, and we was her ride. So I don't know where she went.
Yeah, so that was pretty smack.
Like, I don't know where she went. She could have, and I know her ride didn't pull up as soon as she said, come here. Like, so I don't know if she stood outside. I don't know what the hell. Like, I don't know.
I'm gonna go out there. Now we gonna go outside, and my car window's gonna be busted out and glass shattered.
Hell no! I wish she would do that. But and then she blocked me on Instagram. So I mean, I don't know. And like, she just made a scene, and like the waiter, she was like staring at us like we just got into a fight or something. Like, and like that's not even my girlfriend. Like, you're supposed to just be my friend, and you tripping like over nothing. So like, I don't know, bro. Just girls.
All because we was gonna eat in the car, like.
I don't know. Girls is just wild, and I just wasted my time doing that. So I just man, this shit is smack, bro. I don't know if I'm ever gonna get this shit again. I can't even like enjoy my shit while I'm like,
That the claws got a lot.
I'm life, nigga.
Use your tools, stab it.
Okay, there we go. And that butt ass.
Is that good?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's not bad. It's just, I gotta get used to this shit, that's all. I don't know if I'm supposed to just do this or what, cause
You get the meat out like how it was on there, and put it on there. Or you dip it in the butter first, and then put it on there. I don't know if that'll work. I don't know.
But, yeah, and like, we literally playing this and shit, and like, damn, I'm still eating with this baby ass foot. We playing this and shit, you know, like a couple of days, like, you know, and I was just trying to have, like, you know, have fun making a video. That's it, like, and she just took it to a whole new level for no reason. Like, I ain't do nothing at all. I don't understand why she was mad. It's not like
because we was gonna eat in the car. That's why.
But like I said, like, it wasn't like that was my plan. Like, yeah. I didn't say, all right, when we get our food, we're gonna head straight in the car and then we're gonna eat there. Like, we tried to do it here, and we couldn't. And then I improvised and made it work still, and she still, like, got salty and left. Like, she actually left. So I'm like, okay, well, at that point, I know that you're not for me.
She low-key yeeted me.
Why you say that?
Because when I was sitting over there, I was like, all right, ask her now. And I was just going to ask about the table.
Online.
She said, can I get a box? I was like, wait, what?
Online. I don't even know what I was saying, but, yeah, like, it's not like she my girl, not like that. So she just showed me that, like, I don't need her. Like, once in real, I don't need her. And like I said, like, low key, all this stuff I went through with her, like, just bullshit. Like, I shouldn't go through. Like, you're supposed to be my friend. We're not even dating. I can see maybe, you know, if we was actually a couple and hard, but she not even my girl. Who got?
My friend. Should I answer it?
I mean, you can if you want, but I mean, I already felt him smack.
I mean, it's a mukbang. I mean, It's not like it's not like.
I'm like, no, I know. I'm just saying, like, cause like I'm trying to talk to you and them. So like, really. This rice is alright, bro.
I can't eat none of that.
Rice?
Well, not
because
it
touched. But yeah. So I know she gonna see this. I know she gonna see this because she's supposed to be in the video. So I know she's gonna watch this.
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
So when you see this, you know, I ain't gonna say no names or nothing, but I just hope, you know, I just hope I don't know. I just hope you stay okay. Like, I don't know what I did. To be honest, I don't think I deserve that, like, at all. But yeah, she looked killed my vibe. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I definitely would have came in here like with more energy and shit like that. I'm just salty because this literally just now happened. So, and like and that's one thing I hate about me. Like, I just try to make shit work when I know damn well it won't. Like, just trying to be her friend. And everything. And like, but at the end of the day, like, not on no like dog shit, but fuck girls. Like, that's really what it is, really. Like, you're the only one here right now doing a video with me. Ain't no girls, ain't no niggas.
All right, but I'm also his brother though. So
I'm like, that's what I say. So like, you know, blood is something else. It's crazy. And this shit is this shit is crazy. I don't even think there's even no meat in here. Yeah? It's just this little part right here. Damn. But fuck that. But yeah, I don't know, bro. I don't know why girls is grimy like that. Like, and like I said, it's not even just her. Like, I know there's some people out there who go through, like, or went through the shit we did. Like, just with girls just being woozy as shit. Like, for no reason. Like, I didn't do anything but being a good friend to her. Damn, she pretty. Yeah, she cute. But, I ain't do nothing. I didn't do nothing bad to her like that. And, like, I don't know if it's because she like me, because she do like me. So, I don't know. But, like, girls shouldn't act like that, nigga.
Yeah,
like,
for real. I
know, you know, girls be acting like, you know, a little weird if they like somebody. But when it gets to that, to where, you're making me feel like you don't, like, I don't like you, like, okay, I'm really starting to not like you. And it should never get to that point.
All because we wanted to eat inside the car. Because we couldn't make nothing shake at the moment.
Right. And then, like I said, I'm KiLLAxKeL. I did, you know, and I made it shook, nigga. And she still left, so I can't do nothing about that. I'm just sorry you would, like, do me like that. And we so-called cool, right? I mean, it's whatever.
Right.
Oh, I'm not eating that. Hell no. You get something green right there. That's dead.
Yeah. I don't know.
I ain't gonna touch that shit, nigga.
But you eating off your plate, right?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean like on life? I mean, and that's what I'm saying. Like, you know, the people that's with me now, like, I want to make, like, everybody around me that's good. You know, I want to, you know, like, bring them on, you know, a journey, because, you know, if I'm not eating if my team ain't eating, so it don't count. Like,
Yeah.
Like, if I can't eat, I mean, if y'all can't eat, then it don't matter, like, me eating, because then I'll just be by myself, so it don't matter. Like, it's all about if your team is on. But I don't know, bro. I just wish I would, like, why do girls just act woozy like that? Like, that really got me started.
Some though, some.
On like, because there are some good girls out there, but it's rare, bro. It's so rare. Like,
yeah, I know.
on life. Like that really got me salty, bro. Like, you know that I take like this shit like serious. Like that. This is all I care about, to be honest, is my channel and stuff.
And yes, I'm cutting up my broccoli because this piece is too big. I know it's somebody. He cutting up broccoli.
All right. But you know, I take this stuff serious. Like I take like much pride in my work, and it really hit me like when you know, I don't really ask people for favors and shit like that or help at all. I just go through it myself, and you know, if I can't do it, then I just can't do it. I'm not gonna ask you for help. But if I ask you to help me with a video, and you like dog me in some way, that really hits me because I really care about this a lot. Like this is all I care about, to be honest.
And like I said, all because we was gonna eat inside the car. That don't make no sense.
And like, I don't care about having a girlfriend. I don't care about finding love. Like, I don't care about any of that. I'd rather have a meal on my channel before I have a girl or get a wife or anything. Like, I really don't care about that.
Life.
So I'm salty twice about her. What just happened? Like this shit, nigga. This I'm not used to this. Like, I'm struggling with shit to eat this. Like I'm trying, man. Damn.
Devin.
But,
and that's ugly. No, nothing was jumping until the video started. Like, it's always something like that, bro. Like,
but now it's crazy. So, you know, y'all, this girl is supposed to be in this mukbang, but she act woozy. And like, don't hit me up either, cause like, you better not. Oh, you talking shit? Nah, bro. Just I will not respond to you. Just leave me alone, literally. Hey, since I know how you coming, just stay away from me. That's the only help you can give me now. Just leave me alone. Cause that's crazy. And like, she should know. Like, I don't be hanging around girls at all. Like, I don't hang out with girls. Like, not on no weird shit or like I'm gay or something like that. It's just I don't have time for that. Like, I'm focused on
money, making money.
Yeah, I'm focused on just trying to be great. You know, and she's literally the only girl that I like hung out with like that. Like, and I know that, and I know this shit looks mad. Like, these niggas seeing that shit here with the camera and shit, but I don't care, because at the end of the day, I'm gonna get what I want. Like, I'm going to get it. I still got so much left. But these are empty though, so I am doing it with. Nah, not this one.
I said that one wasn't.
Damn. I wish I had tools though for this shit.
The tools?
Like a mallet or something. I'm gonna put these on right here. But I mean, it's not that bad. I can't really count this like I mean, it's gonna count as an experience, but like, this is so woozy to me. Like, I'm still like just sick a little bit. So it's whatever.
Yeah, I'm full as hell.
Damn. Damn. Nigga, I'm not even nowhere near done. Shit. It's because I was talking more than I was eating. Nigga.
He at least need to let's get an hour rest before we ball.
Alright.
Cause that's dead right now.
Alright.
Hell no.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna hit up Jeremiah after this and see what he trying to do. Damn, that was But yeah, we gonna be hooping in the summertime, and I got some video ideas for that. So stay tuned. It's gonna be lit. We gonna have whole gang in there.
On live.
I'm not even, bro. I'm losing. I'm not even using this butter. Nothing.
Yeah, I be telling you to use the butter.
Damn. Bro, I'm sorry. Oh, fuck. I can't. This shit is so hard, bro. Like, I can't break it. I really cannot break it.
Why is it hot?
Like, I ain't trying to fuck up my teeth for this.
Bro, our teeth are stronger than a shell.
Yeah, I know, but some niggas be chip off. That's dead, nigga. I'll be sorry if I lost my tooth. Like, well, nigga trying to eat some lobster legs, like crab legs. So yeah, I'm cool on that. Damn, that's insane, bro. I don't know. I'm just like, damn, like I would never to think like she would ever do anything like that, or like I don't know. And that's what I'm saying. I've always been nice to her. Like, I've never dogged her, nothing like that. Like, damn, bro. I've never did nothing to you. I've always been there to help you. This shit not breaking either, nigga. You know, it might be rap for this damn mukbang, because
Wow.
I can't fucking break this shit. Like,
bro, break? Where's it at? That one in your hand right there?
Yes, it's hard.
It's like all that meat in there too.
But it's hard as shit. Like, I don't
That's
got no.
why.
Like, nigga, I can't. Look, he's sick, man. Unless nah, that ain't no.
You're a clown, bro.
Alright, y'all. Well, that was it for this video. Sorry about that. The camera cut off when we was in the middle of recording. It took us like half an hour or something like that. Yeah. So, but yeah, that was it. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure y'all hit that like button, share, subscribe. You know, I'm almost at 1K, man. Let's go. Let's keep 1K. 1K. Damn fries. I need that 1K. So, yeah, make sure I hit that like button, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. All right, go home.